If you're looking for a tire that looks good and performs well, this is your best bet.
Great, one more question. How many miles will I get out of these tires?
Uh-oh, look, you've almost got this sale secured. Don't let this common question scramble your brain. You know that long-lasting tread characteristics matched to specific customer applications can mean the difference between a satisfied customer and a dissatisfied one. In this video, we discuss tire tread life trends so you can be prepared to answer this question. Tread life trends have evolved over the years alongside vehicle preferences. With more people driving CUVs, SUVs, and trucks, tire manufacturers are now offering products that focus on various performance aspects, including extended tire life for those vehicle types. Some are even throwing in tread wear warranties for both highway and all-terrain patterns in light truck sizes. While most customers want long-lasting tires, there are exceptions depending on your customer's driving habits. For example, sports car owners using UHP summer tires might prioritize grip over longevity. As always, it's all about knowing your customer and their needs. Achieving long-lasting tread life is a balancing act for tire manufacturers because they have to figure out how to prioritize longevity without sacrificing other key performance attributes. To do this, manufacturers are using advanced compounding, providing tread compounds that provide wear resistance while improving grip and lowering rolling resistance. It's not just about making tires last longer though, it's about making them perform better throughout their lifespan. To achieve this balance, manufacturers are using modern testing methods and equipment to enable them to gain deeper insights into how tires deflect while rolling on the road. During the manufacturing process, this allows them to make minor design adjustments that minimize uneven wear, leading to improved traction and extended tread life. Also, advanced modeling techniques for tread patterns can help enhance the overall performance of the tire. It's not just about how long the tread lasts, though. It's about how well it performs even after it's begun to wear. Some tires might still have adequate tread depth, but show degraded performance in wet or snowy conditions, likely because features like sipes and grooves aren't always full depth. Okay, what does all of this mean to you as a tire dealer? How can you avoid freezing up when customers ask about tire longevity? Well, you have an opportunity to educate your customers and not just sell them a tire. Knowing these nuances allows you to sell them on the importance of matching the right long-lasting tread characteristics to their specific needs. Consider their vehicle type, how they drive their vehicle, and local road conditions, like where they drive and how often. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time. Thanks for watching.